Hey folks, 828 Find Adventure here. I'm going to show you how to take this off of your Toyota Tacoma and install an intake flow accelerator off the TRD Pro intake. So let's go do it. Okay, well let's get started. There's the intake. And the first thing you do is you have to loosen this 10mm bolt on the radiator hose clamp that holds this pipe coming out of the intake. The next step is to undo the clamps on each side of the intake box and detach it from the hose. And I just flip it over and set it on the engine. I do not unplug any wires. I then remove the air filter and set it on top of the engine and get my tools together. Now it's time to remove the lower piece of the intake box. There are 3 12mm bolts that need to be removed first. When you pull the box out, it will leave a piece in the fender well. You can go ahead and just pull that out, and you are going to be replacing that exact part. The new TRD Pro intake flow accelerator, or a horn as some people call it, is made of real pliable rubber, just a squishy rubber, and you have to fit that into the fender well because it's a smaller hole, but it'll go just fine. Make sure after you install the horn into the fender well that you turn it around so the slot is facing up. Then when you are reinstalling the lower piece of the intake box, you line up the fin on the box with the slot in the horn that you installed in the fender well. There is not enough noise difference to record anything while driving, but you will notice a little bit of a tone. It has helped my gas mileage minimally, and the biggest strength I saw was in acceleration and in gear changing. It seemed to really help with that, and I live in a hilly area and I need that as much as possible. Well, I hope you liked the video. Now I guess you can go recycle this thing. The accelerator on the intake, I have noticed a difference in shifting, a little bit in gas mileage, and a little bit in acceleration. There's some tone change with it, but for, about $35 to $40, why not? Takes about 5 minutes to install. So anyways, just another thing to do. I will see you later.